So in last class, we discussed about print function, and we discussed about a type function, and we discussed about print formatting process. What are the different ways of formatting? The first way of formatting is concatenation. You can go with the concatenation. The second way of formatting is dot format method. And the third way of formatting is %s specifier process. So these are the different things in formatting way we done already. And now today we will discuss some other things in variables. Variables are identifiers. What are the variables or what are the identifiers? We have to understand. Let me open Visual Studio Code. And I want to open the yesterday folder. (11 a.m.) So 11 a.m. is my folder now. So inside this, yesterday I written some notes. Let me go to the notes one more time. And today we discussed about variables. Variables or identifiers. Variables or identifiers. See, what are the variables and what are the identifiers we have to understand. Variable or identifier is a container. Variable is a container. Variable is a container. And variable is a storage area which can able to store. Which can able to store any kind of data. Any kind of data. Okay, so inside the variables, I can able to store integer values. I can able to store float values. I can able to store string value. I can able to store a boolean value. I can able to store a list value. I can able to store a tuple value. I can able to store a dictionary value. I can able to store a set value. See, whatever the things, whatever the data types we have, all the kind of data types we can able to store in the variables. And one important thing we need to understand, what are the rules and regulations for the variable names? Variable name rules. What are the rules for the variable name? There are multiple rules which are going to be available for the variable name. The first important point is variable name is user defined name. User defined name. So you can define whatever the name you want, you can define. Suppose I can define my variable name is X. I can define my variable name is A. I can define my variable name is my. I can define my variable name is my name. Whatever the name you want, you can provide for the variable name or identifier name. The one important point you have to remember is variable name is user defined name. You can define any name for the variable, but there are some rules and regulations you have to follow. So what is the first rule is variable name. Variable name should not start with a number. Variable name should not start with a number. It means one name. Means one name. It is not a variable name. So this is a wrong variable name. This is a wrong variable name. Why? Because variable name should not start with a number. Any number 1 to 0 to 0 to 9, 0 to 9, whatever the name, whatever the numbers you have, that number is not there in the variable name starting point. So variable name should not start with the number. That is the first point. The second rule for the variable declaration. The second rule is variable name should not have spaces. Should not have spaces. So don't take space for the variable name. Suppose, for example, I want to define my variable name as first name. So this will not allow. This is the wrong variable name. This is the wrong variable name. You cannot go with the variable name with the spaces. And one more important point, variable name should not contain Any special character. Any special character. Variable name should not contain any special character. What are the special characters? All these are basically special characters we have. All these are special characters we have. All these are special characters you have. Don't start your variable name or don't use any special character in your variable name. Inside your variable name, don't use any special character. For example, I want to define my first name. So you cannot create your variable name like this. You cannot create your variable name like this. This is the wrong variable name. This is the wrong variable. Okay, so for example, first hyphen name. So this is a wrong. Why? Because hyphen will not take. Hyphen will not take. Hyphen is also a special character. For example, first slash name. Slash is also a special character. So you cannot create a variable name like this. Wrong. Or you cannot create a first percentile name. Percentile is an operator. Is a special symbol. So this is also wrong. So like this, you cannot create your variable name using with any special character. Using with any one special character. So don't use special characters for the variable name. Don't use any special character inside your variable name. That is the one important point you have to remember. The fourth important point is variable name is not a Python keyword or identifier. Is not a Python keyword or identifier. Variable name is not a Python keyword or identifier. So input is the Python keyword. Don't use input as variable name. Print is a Python keyword. Don't use print as variable name. If is a Python keyword, don't use if as variable name. And is a Python keyword. Don't use and as variable name. Or is a Python keyword. Or is operator and is operator. So don't use Python identifiers or Python keywords as variable names. Okay, variable name is user defined. You can define whatever the name you want, but you need to obey with some rules and regulations. The first rule itself is variable name should not start with the numbers. The second rule is variable name should not have any space. Don't give a space for the first and name. First name, for example, variable name is first name. First space name. Okay, don't go. Full name, full space name, don't go. And variable name should not contain any special characters. Don't use hash, percentile, and the symbol, all the symbols. Don't use any special character in the variable name. And one more important point, any Python keyword or any Python identifier should not be used as variable name. Input is a Python keyword. Input is a Python keyword to give the input value. Print is a Python keyword to print the values. And type is a Python keyword, check with the type of the value, type of the object. So don't use Python keywords or Python identifiers as variable names. Remember this point also. But one important point you should remember, variable name allow only one special character, in variable name. What is that? Manasa, what is a variable name allowed? One special character allowed. What is that? First underscore name. Underscore is the special character which will allow for the variable name. So that is the right one. Underscore is a special character. Underscore have some special feature. Any programming language you take, not only Python. Underscore is only allowed. Underscore only allowed for the variable name. Okay, for example, I want to define my variable name, underscore name. Okay, it will allow. Underscore salary. Okay, it will allow. Underscore name, underscore salary. Okay, no problem. Underscore is a special character which will allow for the variable names. Am I clear? Okay. So can I go with the program now? Let me take the program. So save the notes. Now I want to take the new program, new file, and save it as inside the 11 AM only. I want to create as variables. Variables.py. variables dot py. Suppose for example, first underscore name. So first underscore name is something like Srinivas. Print Srinivas. Is it allowed or not? First name Srinivas. Is it allowed or not? Play. Srinivas is coming or not? Okay. Obey. Obey the rule. Obey the rule. Rule follow avutundi. Okay. This is underscore is allowed. So I am just very clearly saying that underscore is only the special character. Underscore is only the special character which will allow for create a variable name. Underscore only the special character which will allow for create a variable name. Okay. So the second one, I want to define one more thing. First hyphen name. First hyphen name is equal to, I just want to give something like a Mansa. Print Mansa or print first hyphen name. Editor itself, it is actually giving underlines. Editor itself, it is giving some red color mark. Editor itself, it is giving some red color mark. What is the red color mark? Obviously, you will be having the error for this. So what is happening here? First name Mansa. Syntax error, can't assign to expression here. Maybe you meant a double equal to or instead of equal to, something like that. So this is not working. Okay, what is the problem here? What is the problem here? This code is not executing. This code is not executing. What is the problem here? Special characters. Special character like hyphen will not allow. Will not allow. Okay. Let me comment it. Workout లేదు కాబట్టి comment just. Come to one more point. First hash or dollar name. First name is equal to, now this time it is Pooja. Pooja ne kada nee peru. Print first hello. Okay, so this is also not allowed. So what is the problem? The same problem. What is the problem? This one. Okay. So let's go. First space name is equal to, again I'm giving something like Dikshita. Dikshita. It will take print first space name. Dikshita will take now. Dikshita will come now. Obviously, it is showing underline. Underline red color mark. Underline red color mark means it is not allowing. Variable name is not allowing. What is the problem for this here? What is the problem here? Spaces will not allow. But spaces will not allow for the variable name. Am I clear? Okay. This rule is also working. And one more rule. Okay, let me go. If is equal to, I just want, what is your name? Krishna. Okay, I am giving if is equal to Krishna. Print if ठीक है, क्या है प्रॉब्लम, क्या है इसमें? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम हियर? ఏముంది ఇందులో ప్రాబ్లం? if అనేది పెట్టాను, if అనేది keyword, if is a python keyword, when I am using if keyword it will not work. Why? Because if is a python identifier, if is a python keyword, python keywords don't use as a variable names. So this rule is also fine. So what is a comment here? python python keywords python keywords not as variable names. Python keywords not as a variable names. That's it, fine. So all the rules are actually working. To create the variables, you have to use the identifier. Sorry, you can use underscore. Underscore is allowed. Underscore is possible. Underscore is possible for the variable name. That is only the thing is possible. Okay, first name is Srinivas and last name is something like this. Last name is Gorentla. Okay, when I say Gorentla, so print last underscore name. So I want to print full name here. Print full name. I want to print full name. Let me give the full name here. Full name is, tell me, first underscore name, then plus last underscore. This is my full name here. What I'm trying to working here. I'm just trying to printing the full name. So what is the problem here? Comma. Separate with the comma. Separate with the comma. You have a string already, and I'm doing a string concatenation here. First name plus last name. What is my first name plus last name is something like a full name. I'm trying to printing the full name here. This will work out. This will work out. Suppose full name is Srinivas Gorantla. So it is came or not? It is came or not? Suppose I want to take a space between the Srinivas and Gorantla, and I want to take a space between the first name and last name. What I can do? Again, you can go with the concatenation. You can take a space here. Take a plus. Take a space inside. Space also one special character. Space also one character. Take a character and make a concatenation. Concatenation works with the plus symbol using with the strings. Am I clear? So like this, you can work with the different things. Okay, Srinivas Gorantla is there, and full name is Srinivas Gorantla. Fine. Fine. So in this way, you can create your variable. In this way, you can create a variable. Now let me go with the data types. Data types. A type of data. Type of data. Data type means type of data. You may have an integer, you may have a float. In real time, mostly people will use int, float, char, string. So there is no character, string only there. List is there, and boolean is there. Tuple is there. Tuple is there, and dictionary is there. Dict is there, and set is there. So these are the different kind of data types. These are the different kind of data types you can declare using with the variable names. Let me go with the data types here. Take a new program and save it as data types. Data types.py. Okay, now let me go with the int. Okay. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. C is equal to A plus B. Now print C. What is the type of C? Print type of C. Print of type of C. Now execute the program. Print C, print type of C. Okay, so I got a 30. At the same time, what is the type of the data? It is a kind of integer. It is a kind of integer, int. Okay, let me go with the one more type, floating type. Let me go with the one more type, float kind of data. So A is equal to 10.5. Now print A. Print inside print type of A. What is the type of A now? This time type of A is So invalid syntax. What is the invalid syntax? C is name. C is not defined. Let me take D. Already this data type already declared. Don't take another time data type now. And I'm taking D now. Save the program. Print the type of D. Okay, syntax error. Still syntax error is coming. What is the problem? Okay, it is float. 10.5 and type is float. Let me go with the string. str. Take a name. Name is equal to, this time is his Puja. Name 1 is equal to, this time it is Dikshita. Name 2 is equal to, this time it is Krishna. Name 3, birthday. Happy birthday, bye. Friend, this culture. Nunchu atla. Tino. Happy birthday. And you. అరే ఎన్నో బర్త్డే అప్పుడే షేర్ చేసుకో కొంచెం అందరికి నోట్ కీప్ చేసుకో ఇదిగో మనసు ఇదిగో అమ్మాయి మనసా కూడా have it. Okay, name 3 equal to Manasa. This time, what my requirement is, for Dikshita, I can use double quotes. This time for Krishna, I am giving with a triple single quotes. This time for Manasa, I am giving a triple double quotes. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. So like print name, print name 1, print name 2, print name 3. Name is Pooja, name 1 is Dikshita, name 2 is Krishna, name 3 is Manasa. Okay, so I want to check the type of the print. What is the type of the data? Type of print name. Type of print name 1. Type of print name 2. Type of print name 3. Okay, save it, execute it. ఏమైంది Pooja, Dikshita, Krishna, Manasa. Again Pooja, Krishna, Krishna, Manasa. What is the problem? Name 1, name 2, name 3. I am giving type now. So why type is not working here? Oh my god. Wrong. This is wrong. What we have to do? Print outside kada. Print of type of name. Print of type of name 1. Print of type of name 2. Then print of type of name 3. So finally render Everything is string or not? Everything is string. Okay. Everything is string. So string data type. This is a kind of string data type. Now let me go with the one more data type called Boolean. Boolean. Is married. Is married is equal to true. Is doing job. Is doing job is equal to false. Printf type of is married. Printf type of is married. Next, one more time. Printf type of is doing job. What is the data type? I want to check it out. What is the data type? I want to check it out. Now let's see. What is the kind of data type? It's a Boolean value. Only two values. One is a true, one is a false. T should be with the capital letter and F should be the capital letter. In other programming language, T is a small letter, F is a small letter, but in Python, T is the capital letter and F is a capital letter for the true false. Now let me go with the one more data type for list type. List type. Suppose fruits, square. Define some fruits. Apple, orange, mango, grapes. Printf type of fruits. Printf type of fruits. What is a printf type of fruits? It's a kind of list object. Later we will discuss about list methods. What are the different kind of list methods? What are the different kind of string methods? All these things. But right now we are working on data types. What is the data type? What is the type of the data? How to define the data? Just want to give in this program. Now come to the one more data type called tuple. Again fruits or again devices. I want to take devices now. Devices is equal to parenthesis. Devices LG, Onida, Samsung. Printf type of devices. Printf type of devices. Tell me, what is the kind of the data? I already given the heading. Tuple. What is the difference between the list and tuple? List is a collection, tuple is a collection. But what is the differences? What are the differences and all we will discuss later. Now I am just defining the types of the data. Later in the programs, what is the list? What are the different kind of methods applicable for the list? What is a tuple? What are the different kind of methods applicable for the tuple? What is the behavior of the list? What is the behavior of the tuple? List is one classroom. Tuple is one classroom. But this classroom list is having some benefits. Tuple is not having that many benefits. What are the benefits? What is the behavior of the list? What is the behavior of the tuple? Later we can discuss. Come to the one more thing. Set. Okay, so set of objects, something like human, like this. I want to define something like a man, woman, man again, woman. Print this. Okay, human is equal to print human. Behavior of the set. I will show now. What is the behavior of the set? Behavior of the set is very important. Set is not allowing duplicate. Set is not allowing duplicate, but list will allow duplicate or not. Print fruits. Okay, later we will discuss all these things. No worry. But right now I am just showing that set is having some behavior. Set is having some behavior. I will show that. Okay, so list is printing and tuple is printing. Set is printing, but set is printing, but set is not allowing duplicates. and set is having some specific behaviors and all. We will discuss later. And can I give the duplicate for the apple here? Can I give the duplicate as apple? Can I give the duplicate as LG? Make LG one more time. It will allow or not? We'll see. Apple duplicated, no problem. LG also duplicated, no problem. But here, man is not duplicating. In the set, man is not duplicating. Man, we have 2 times. But printing process, man is printing only 1 time. It means set will not allow duplicates. Later, we will discuss those kind of features. Then one more kind of data is dict. Dict employee. Employee is equal to only curly braces. Employee name. What is the employee name? Colon. Name of the employee Pooja. Name of the employee Pooja. Employee salary. Name of salary of the employee. How much salary you want, Pooja? 70, okay. 70,000 MP. This is your salary in 2025. 25 lo na? Your studies అయిపోయిన తర్వాత. The first salary you should take like this. Print of EMP. తీసుకుంటావా పూజ? గోల్ పెట్టుకో. First salary should be like this. Okay, so completely Pooja got printed. What is the type of the data? Print of type of EMP. And ikkada kuda print of type of human. Print of type of human. What is the type of human here? And what is the type of the EMP here? Type of the human is set. Type of the EMP is dict. Dict nothing but dictionary. Dictionary is collection of key value pairs. So this is one key value pair. Employee name Pooja is one key value pair. Employee salary 70,000 is one key value pair. Collection of key value pairs is called a dictionary. In Python, it is called a dict. A data type called a dict. These are the specific data types which are going to be available in Python. So just try to understand it. Okay, let me go with the one more important function in Python. That is called input function. Input function. Input function is Python predefined function. Python predefined function using for take input from user. Take input from user. Okay, so for example, first underscore number is equal to input of enter first number. Enter first number. So whatever the number you entered, that will store into the first number. Whatever the number you entered, that will store into the first number. Okay, second number. Second underscore number. Second number and first number are what? First underscore number, first underscore num, second underscore num are what? Entavi. Chapu Dikshita. First underscore num is what? Variables. Second underscore num is also variable. Yeah. What is the input here? What is the input here? Input parenthesis. What is the input here? Akade undi kadamma. Input is a predefined function. Input is a predefined function. Akade pettukoni answer. What is the input annappudu akade undi answer. Daniki malla aalochinchali, paiki chudali, kinda chudali, pakka chudali. Input is a predefined function using for take input from the user. And what is this? Tell me. Enter first number. What is this? Enter first number. What is this? రెండు జేబుల్లో చేతులు పెట్టుకొని వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. ఇట్స్ స్ట్రింగ్. సింగిల్ కోట్స్ ఉంది కదా తల్లి, సింగిల్ కోట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, డబుల్ కోట్, సింగిల్ కోట్స్, ట్రిపుల్ సింగిల్ కోట్, ట్రిపుల్ డబుల్ కోట్. String is a string. That's it. Enter first number. It's a custom string. Custom string. Enter second. Okay, fine. Let me write the program about the input. Input.py. Cheppandi. Same program. Can I take the same program here? First number is equal to, enter first number. Second number is equal to, enter second number. Print of first number is comma first num. Print of second number is second number is comma second underscore number. Just like this. Execute the program. A program is blinking. Cursor is blinking here. It is asking me to enter the first name. It is asking me to enter the first number. What is the first number I want to enter? 120 or 120. Yeah. First number is 120. I entered. It is asking me enter your second number. Second number is something like 134. Output is what? First number is 120. Second number is 134. First number is 120. Second number is 134. Now, my requirement is I want to take the addition of two numbers. Addition of two numbers. Addition. Print. Addition. Tell me addition. Addition of two numbers is, tell me the addition. First number plus first number. Let me use Jupyter notebook. This is irritating. First number plus second number. That's all. Addition of two numbers is this. Am I clear? Just go execute it. Cursor is blinking. Enter the first number. 10, 12. Addition of two numbers is what? 10, 12. But what is the real factor of the addition of two numbers here? 22. 22 should be the output. But output is what? 10, 12. What is the reason? Imagine. String concatenation is going on. String concatenation is going on. So why? Because of whatever the value you entered here. Whatever the value you entered here. So first number is taking like this. Second number is taking like this. That is the reason output is like this. That is the reason output is like this. So remember the point. One important point you have to remember. Input always captured string kind of data. Input always captured string kind of data. Even you entered as a number, it will captured as a string. Then what is the requirement here to do the addition? Type conversions, right? So we will see the type conversions in the coming class. And I want to convert this first number to integer and second number also into integer. Int of first number, int of second number. When I say int of first number, when I say int of second number, automatically conversion is going to be happen. When conversion is going to be happen, automatically type conversion will happen. And now 10, now 12. Output is first number is 10, second number is 12. Addition of two numbers is 20. First number is 10, second number is 12. Addition of two numbers is 20. Fine, that's all. Okay. This is about the input, but there are multiple examples we have to do with input. Salary calculation and different kind of arithmetic operations. We have to do number of examples of input, and we have to go with the operators. We have to go with the type conversions in the coming class.